pleasure and pride to be with you people, mga kababayan ko po dito sa Europa. First time ko po dito sa The Hague. At I'm really pleased and really happy to be with you and to be in one purpose. I'm not a very political person. Alam po ninyo yan. Maski sa mga pagdating sa kampanya, hindi pa ako nakikikampanya. At sarili kong kapatid, hindi ako nakikikampanya. Because gusto ko lang po, ako po ay lumaki na naniniwala sa kapangyarihan ng Panginoon. And I know there is no impossibility when we have faith in God. But I am also a believer of good. Di po ba yung, and naniniwala naman tayo na sa Bible, God actually approves of authority and we are bound to be under this authority and always respectful of authority. I am also a believer, though I'm not a political person, I am also a believer of what a good person as a politician does to the people. Ang tatay ko po ay isang politiko at nakita ko po sa tatay ko ang integridad ng isang politiko because we were never fed of any corruption, of any kung ano po yung mga kung kami pinalaki sa kung paano, kung ano yung para sa gobyerno, para lang po sa tao yan. Hindi kami pinakain ng tatay ko ng para sa mga tao. At yan din po ang daladala ng kapatid ko, ang integridad na yan na whatever is for the people is for the people and by the people. At yun din po ang paniniwala ko sa Presidente Duterte. Though, as I've said, hindi ako nandito para to push for anything, but only to push for justice and to push for equality and fair judgment. Lahat po tayo ay merong karapatan para doon. Whether presidente ka dati or isa kang ordinary citizen, lahat po tayo ay merong karapatan para dyan. At tayo nagpapasalamat, ako'y naniniwala sa ICC that at one point, they will give justice where justice is due. Di po ba? So, yun ang ating ipinapakiusap sa ICC na sana tignan ng lahat ng ito in a very objective perspective para na rin sa kabutihan ng lahat at para sa pride ng mga Pilipino. Kasi ang masakit po dito is we have a leader who is in fact in prison now. And we have to understand why is that happening and what is the effect on us as a Filipino people. President Duterte, I must say, is a source of pride. He is not a perfect president, but he is also a good president. Siguro doon nakakaisa po tayo. So let me give this prayer for everyone who hopes for what is good for all of us and also for what is good for a person. Huwag na natin sabihin former president, but to a person who deserves justice and fairness in times of trouble and whatever is miscommunication or whatever is yung mga naipapasa sa kanyang kaso. So, please join me in this prayer. Almighty God, Father, the Creator of the heavens and of the earth, the Sovereign Lord of the universe, whose name is Jehovah. You are the Almighty in power. You are infinite in your wisdom. You are righteous in your judgment and ever loyal in your love. And because of all these attributes, Jehovah our God, we hope for your justice to prevail and give goodness to all people who deserve it. Marami po kaming hindi naiintindihan, but you know everything, Lord Jehovah, for kung ano ang kailangan namin para magkaisa at makita yung katotohanan, just to inspire us also and to be fair to other people, because I think yun ang gustong mangyari at yun ang ating as image and likeness of our God, we should be extending the same, that love, that judgment, that wisdom, and that power na binibigay sa atin. Let God's judgment be upon us and hopefully will give us the clarification and the enlightenment